Hi, I'm Andrew Potocznik and welcome to the new studios here at Timbecon in Melbourne. This lathe is a mini lathe. So when you're looking at a mini lathe, what can you expect of it? The beauty of a mini lathe is that it can come in components. For example, this one at the moment is set up using 4 components. The bed itself, the lathe itself, with a stand, with the extension bed, and an extension bed stand. So if you're buying just the lathe itself, you can buy this section here and you can mount it onto a bench, or you can make a stand of your own, and that way you can wheel it into place wherever you want to work, and it doesn't take up much space at all. Even though we've set this lathe up with an extension bed, what you get in the basic kit is from here to here and from here to here. So you get a cast iron headstock, cast iron tool rest and saddle, cast iron tailstock, and a working distance between centres of about 420 millimetres. The swing over the bed is 150 mil, or just a little bit over, so you can get a maximum turning of about 305 millimetres. So you can get a fairly nice sized bowl on to fit on this lathe. If you put the bed extension on, that gives you an extra bit of space. So let's see how much distance there is between centres now. 102 centimetres, so 40 inches. So you can get a fairly substantial piece of spindle turning onto this machine. As with many lathes these days, the components are fairly standard. So there's an M30 thread on the spindle, you've got a number 2 Morse taper inside the spindle, and you also have a number 2 Morse taper in the tailstock quill. And the other thing you'll notice is if you wind the quill right back, the centre ejects. You can also get about 50 mils of travel on the quill and a fairly good handle on the hand wheel. The 550 watt motor drives a 3-step pulley, but you also get an electronic variable speed switch. So you can get a range of speeds, according to this sticker here, that goes from 450 RPM right through to 3,500 RPM. So for larger pieces of work, you use your lower speeds. For spindle work, you use high speeds. And for sanding, you go for a medium range speed. If you're new to wood turning and you don't want to invest too much money, but you still want to have a lathe that will give you quite a variety of features, this would be the sort of lathe you can go for. For more information, click on the links below, and don't forget to like and subscribe and do all those usual social media things. I'm Andrew Potocznik. See you next time.